Hi everyone, it's Andy from MrYouWho, and I'm super excited today to bring something to you truly special. Today we're diving into the world of Dossier, where premium fragrances are made accessible and affordable. Guys, gone are the days of overpriced perfumes due to celebrity endorsements or extravagant packaging. With Dossier, you're about to experience high-end, clean, and ethically sourced perfumes without the hefty price tag. And today we're going to explore two of their incredible scents, as you can see just here. So stay tuned and don't forget to check the purchase links in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing fragrance reviews. And guys, I'm really pumped for doing this today. So to start with, we'll look at the Amber Saffron fragrance, which is this one just here. So as I unbox this fragrance, what strikes me is the minimalistic yet elegant design of the bottle. It's simple, yet it speaks volumes about the sophistication that lies within it. Now let's spray a little bit on here and let's see what it smells like. So I'm just taking the smell in at the moment, guys, just taking the fragrance in, letting it settle slightly, which you need to do with fragrances. You know, let it relax, but already I can smell it coming through. So, wow. So the initial burst of saffron is absolutely mesmerizing. It's bold, it's fiery, and yet there's a certain warmth to it. The orange blossom gently unfolds, adding a sweet, floral touch to this spicy opening. And as the fragrance settles, I'm enveloped in a boutique of jasmine and plum. It's like walking through a lush, fragrant garden. And the cedarwood, as you can smell, is a backbone here, giving an earthy depth that's both comforting and mysterious. So guys, I tried this previously, and after a few hours, the perfume reveals its base notes. So it's got oak moss, fir balsam, and the amber come together, creating a lasting impression that's both woody and resinous. It clings to the skin, leaving a trail of warm, aromatic feeling that lasts all day. So comparing this to the iconic MFK's Baccarat Rouge 540, Dossier's Amber Saffron holds its own. It captures the essence of a luxury scent, but just at a fraction of the price. So guys, this isn't just an imitation, it's a fragrance that stands proud in its own right. So in conclusion, the Amber Saffron is a fragrance that speaks volumes. It's perfect for those who love bold, spicy scents with a hint of floral sweetness. It really is nice. And you can use it for a night out, it can use it when you're going to work. It really is nice, but it sits so well there. It really is a beautiful fragrance. So guys, now we're going to look at the Amber Cherry fragrance. So this is the next one I'm going to unbox today. So as you can see, it comes here in the box as well. Now the first thing again is the minimalistic design of Dossier's bottles. It's always about the scent, isn't it? Not the packaging or the fluff, which adds a lot more expense into things. Now let's delve into the aroma that's been capturing everyone's attention. So I'm going to go and spray this now on my other arm and also just there. I'm going to let that settle just for a moment, guys, so I can really capture what the scent is. But straight away you can... So I'm just breathing in just now. Wow, the burst of cherry and almond is intoxicating. It's sweet, yet there's a depth to it. The almond almost adds a nutty, almost marzipan-like twist to the cherry, creating an opening that's both inviting and bold. Now guys, as the fragrance settles, you can really start going to its heart. The spices, cinnamon and cloves, entwine beautifully with floral notes of rose and jasmine. There's also a hint of plum too, and it really adds a juicy complexity to the notes. It's got Peru balsam in it, tonka bean and vanilla crate, a warm amberly background. It's like a cozy embrace. It's sweet, rich, and sensually deep. So as I smell it, I did it previously, and the longevity is also impressive. It lingers beautifully on the skin. So the Amber Cherry, guys, is not just a fragrance, it's a statement. It oscillates between daring and sweetness and really gives a sophisticated blend. So guys, if you want a nice kind of floral scent, which can use for both men and also female with this one, it's really, really good. Its gourmand, extravagant profile makes it perfect for special occasions or as a unique signature scent. A must try for lovers of bold, unforgettable fragrances. It really is nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing both those in. As I said, the fragrances really are beautiful. And wrapping up, Dossier's Amber Saffron and Amber Cherry offer a gateway to luxurious scents at an accessible price point. These fragrances are more than just perfumes. They're a statement of sophistication and uniqueness. So guys, if you're intrigued by these captivating aromas, follow links below to explore the Dossier's collection. There's also links to purchase as well. Any links purchase you make also support the channel. But guys, thanks for watching today. Let me know what your fragrance is. If you've purchased any Dossier fragrances yourself, I'm really excited to hear from it. And this is Andy from MrYouWho, bringing you the world of fragrances right at your fingertips. Until next time, stay centered at MrYouWho.